Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create components in Webflow. So first thing I will do is add a navbar. So you want to use components if you have multiple pages on a website and you want to style an element, let's say a section. You have the same section on every website, and you don't want to style it every time you put it on a website or copy paste it. Only thing you need to do is create a component of that element, section, or let's say a navbar. You want to use this navbar on every page. You need to create a component. So to do that, you need to click navbar, go here, components, create a new component, and call it, let's say, navbar. Create it, and now every time you want to use this navbar or other page, what you need to do is, let's say we delete this navbar, we go to components, and we just drag it inside the website, and that's it. Now you have a component.